this video I'm going to show you the Advantage Manufacturing service cart, and this is a powder coated service cart. They also have a stainless steel version if you're interested in that cart. And over to the left is the Advantage Portavac, and Advantage Manufacturing has been making portable filtration systems for several years now, and they're the leader in the industry. And all the service carts are made here in the USA. Advantage Manufacturing is a small family-owned business in Santa Ana, California. And these carts are extremely well made and hand welded. You can see that there's been a lot of attention to detail put into these carts, and I really like the brush holder and the pull holders on the cart. There's also a part in the back where you can store all your bottles. So with this cart you can transport your vacuum hose, all the chemicals you're going to need, and your test kit back to the stop without having to go back to your truck for anything. And here's a look at some of the other service carts that Advantage Manufacturing makes. They make a bottom feeder cart, the Portavac here in the middle, and then you have, of course, the service cart here to the right. One of the really nice features of this service cart is that it's really easy to transport from one stop to another. All you would need is a receiver on the back of your truck. Then all you would need to attach the cart to the back of your truck is a hitch and also the drop mount. And the hitch is also sold by Advantage Manufacturing. And I think Advantage Manufacturing is going to make their own drop mounts for their carts. And then you would just put the drop mount into your receiver on the back of your truck. Or you can use the T-bar mount shown here. And the T-bar mount is also available at Advantage Manufacturing. This allows you to connect two service carts to your truck at the same time. And then you can easily wheel the cart back to your service account. And again, it holds everything you're going to need to service the pool. It holds your vacuum hose and vacuum head, your test kit, all your chemicals, your pool pole and brushes. And it's a one-stop kind of convenient way to bring everything back to your service account. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service, save time and money, and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.